Hello everyone. You will not only hear from doctors, friends, relatives, but at times you will even tell yourself that you want to lose weight. Today, I am going to ask you one question. Do you want to lose weight or you want to get fit into small size clothes? Now you would wonder, what is she talking about? It's one and the same thing, but not really. Don't think losing weight means losing fat or losing weight means getting fit into small size clothes. You would be amazed to know your weight consists of lots of factors, which is not only unhealthy but maximum 80% is the healthy weight. Your body consists of 60% of water weight and rest 30 to 40% is your muscle weight, organ weight, bone weight, and the rest 15 to 25% is your fat weight. Again, that fat is also equally important, meaning in that there are two types of fat. One is the essential fat, which is beneath our skin to regulate our body temperature or to maintain our body temperature, and the second fat is the most essential fat, which is near our organs to protect from any injury or any shock. You would have set target many times for yourself. You want to lose 10 kgs, 20 kgs, 25 kgs and so on. But are you sure that you are losing only on the unhealthy fat weight and not on the healthy weight? At the same time, many of y'all even check your weight not every day but even so many times a day. Remove that concept from your mind, because your weight will always keep on changing on so many factors: amount of water what you consumed, what food you consumed and so on. So please do not focus only on the weight, because weight gain doesn't mean that you're gaining on the fat. It can be healthy weight, unhealthy weight, depending upon lots of factors. So, are you confused? Have to judge whether you're losing on the healthy weight or the unhealthy weight? Don't worry. I will be sharing with you few simple tricks which you have to feel and experience at home itself without any smart scale required. First very simple trick is weight loss to inch loss, meaning how much ever weight you lose, your inches should be double than the weight. For example, if you are losing 2 to 3 kgs in a month, total inches should be very minimal, at least 5 to 6 inches, which is double than the weight. So when I say inches, you have to count those areas where we have more fat deposition, that is your arms, chest, abdominal area, thighs, hips, etc. So when you are losing double the inches, it clearly says that you are losing on the fat weight and not on the healthy weight. Second trick, which is very simple, which you have to experience yourself, that is, if you are feeling energetic, active, lighter, then you are definitely decreasing on the fat and improving on the muscle weight. On contrary, if you are feeling tired, you look pale, your luster and the smoothness of the skin goes low, and at the same time you would have seen many people who end up losing weight, their skin starts getting loose or it is hanging, which clearly indicates that they are not only losing on the fat but more percentage they are losing on the muscle weight and even decreasing on the bone density, which is not at all healthy. If this is the result, they will not take time to bounce back on the fat weight whatever they have lost, and rather they will not increase on the muscle weight, but they will double up increase on the fat weight. So I hope now you are clear by your mind. You will be no longer focusing on weight loss, but rather you will be focusing on getting lean, stronger, and looking younger than your age, which means reducing on the unhealthy weight and improving on the healthy weight. Now you would wonder how to achieve this. Don't worry, I'll be definitely guiding you through that as well in my upcoming videos. For that, you have to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and please share this information through your contacts, so at least they would have a clear concept of not losing weight only and focusing on the other parameters as well. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, stay tuned to Purvi's Nutrition Studio.